Hello, I am Kayla Eldridge, and I am here today to talk to you about cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using electronic technology such as cell phones, computers, tablets, as well as communication tools including emails, social media sites, text messages and chat, and websites. When fingers take to the keyboard or thumbs type into a cell phone and craft messages of hate or malice about a specific person, cyberbullying is emerging. Most students have rumors spread about them. About 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. There are different forms of online harassment that take place both in and out of the school setting. Here are some forms of cyberbullying. Exclusion, which is deliberately excluding someone from online activities. Harassment, sustained or intentional bullying with abusive messaging. Outing, the act of publicly humiliating a child through posting without consent. Cyberstalking, attackers harass their victims. Fraping, logging onto an account and impersonating the person whose account you're on. Fake profiles are created to hide real identities with the intent of cyberbullying. Dissing is sending or posting cruel information to damage reputations. Trickery, gaining trust so secrets can be shared. Trolling, provoking a response through insults. And catfishing, stealing online identities and recreating profiles for deceptive purposes. Cyberbullying can spread like a virus. It is highly contagious and no one is immune, though some may suffer more than others. Those that bully can be individuals with a history of negative and violent environments. They may be unaware what they are doing is wrong. Reasons a person may bully can include hate, anger, envy, insecurity, or just simply peer pressure. There are multiple effects of cyberbullying, and those can include alcohol abuse, suicide, sometimes called bullycide, health issues, depression, violent tendencies. Any of these things can happen to our students who are cyberbullied. The bully himself may end up with consequences in or out of the school. Out of the school would be through criminal or civil channels. Our district policy indicates that discipline guidelines for student bullying can be found in student and employee handbooks. Offenses over time or a single offense, which are severe in nature, may result in discipline up to and including suspension and or expulsion or termination from employment. Parents participating in prohibited bullying conduct aimed at district students and or staff members may jeopardize their access to district facilities, district property, school-sponsored activities, programs, and events, and or district students and or staff members through the district's communication system. There are things you can do to help. You can help by reporting it to the school, collecting evidence on the bullying, reporting it to the site, app, or game, talk to another adult, demonstrate care for the student, work together to find a solution, simply tell the bully to stop, do not encourage bullying, stay safe, and don't give up. In schools that have a no cell phone use policy, such as those at Derby, we tend to have more reported cases of cyberbullying, so the kids are more apt to turn it in if there's an issue that is going on. There has also been an increase in cyberbullying from 2010 to 2016, and that's probably due to the rise of technology. Now, there are some preventative practices that we can do as teachers in order to keep bullying from happening at our school. One thing we can do is to debunk misperceptions about digital behavior. We can also build empathy and understanding for our students. We can teach online safety skills. And we can also equip young people with strategies to reject digital abuse in their lives. These are the references that were used for this presentation.